and this is what you get. So we are going to um, cd into our job board. So we are there automatically. We have Git is already installed, so we have Git master. We're on the master branch, so we can now open a new VS Code or whatever text editor you're using, but I prefer VS Code. And then we can go to our folder where we created a project. So we go to workspace, and then we go to job board CMS, and we copy it inside VS Code. So now here we have it. So I like to use the terminal on VS Code instead of this, so I can just exit here and then go full screen later. Then terminal, go to new terminal, and then there we have it. Now we can do our npm run serve to run our project. So we see what we have. So good. So you press on command and then you click on the link, and there you are, done. So what we need to do is, let's look at what. So we are going to use Vuetify, because Vuetify has pre-made components that can easily get all these things done. So Vuetify will help us develop this thing really faster. So let's go to Vuetify. I've been using Vuetify for long, so I know how to get around things with Vuetify. So we come back to our project and we go to source. We go to app.vue. So this is what is outputting on the page. So we look at how we can install Vuetify using the Vuetify CLI. Okay, so with Vue CLI 3 you can install plugins by just doing vue add Vuetify. So we can come here and just say vue add Vuetify. There we go, enter. So it's going to install Vuetify in our project, and it's going to create a plugins folder here, and it's going to add it to our project directory. So we wait for it to install. And once it's installed, it's going to modify the app.vue. It's going to give us a Vuetify interface. So we have to do some things. So default, prototype, or configure. So we just go to default. That's a recommended thing. So we can see that it has modified our app. So you can see app.vue has changed. Look at the file that has changed here. Look at main.js also changed. So we have Vuetify now imported here. So look, a lot of things has changed. Vuetify is now here. So we can see a lot of things has changed. So let's wait for the installation to finish, and then we can go on. Alright, so it's done. And then we have all these files are changed. So we have an error here that says this dependency was not found. Vuetify library source plugin Vuetify.js. Yeah, so you're going to solve all that issue. So we close the window, we come here, and then we go to, first of all, let's go to app.vue. Let's solve the error first. So go to plugins. I will say import Vuetify, export Vuetify, blah blah blah. So let me see if this works. I don't know. I always get this error when I'm doing Vuetify. So npm install Vuetify save blah 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 blah. Let's see what we get. So we wait for it to install. And we see, I think it's taking too much time. Okay, I will just stop it. Oh, I should have cleared it instead. Sorry. So let's see how we can get around with it. Let's go to the Vuetify documentation. vue.use Vuetify. Do we have it here? Okay, we have it. So why is it not working? Oh, okay. So in the plugins, you set it up like this. Okay. So we go. Okay, so we are using Vuetify now. We are not using any options, so we leave it like that. So we save it. So this, yeah, this is not working. So this worked. Cool. So we're having some issues with ESLint, and yeah, we can just ignore it for now. And let's see if everything is working. We go to our link, and yeah, Vuetify is working, successfully installed. So we are going to modify the pages. So we go to app.js, and then we don't need all this. We need the app bar. We need the Vue app, because in Vuetify everything has to be wrapped in the Vue app component. So we don't need the app bar. We can delete everything there, but everything has to be in the Vue app. So we can delete everything here, and we leave everything in the Vue app, and we can just put header 3 and say hello, something like that. We can take away this hello world. We don't need it. We don't need the data also. So yeah, keeping things very simple. And there you have it. So this is the errors that are given here is just using instead of single quote, Prettier wanted to be a double quote, so that's why it's giving those errors. But we are going to solve that too. So you go to ESLint, and then you see here it says view prettier, so we're going to take that out. I mean, I just want to keep things more like simple. I don't want to using double quotes. I like to use single quotes. So people too might like prettier, but I just don't like prettier. I don't know why, but I don't like it. So that is it. So you shouldn't see this error again after another refresh. So we have, yeah, we have things now set up. We go to our main.js. We are importing Vuetify from plugins, blah blah Vuetify. We are using Vuetify here in our project. So that is all for Vuetify. So Vuetify is successfully installed. So let's use a component and see if, so here we are getting the hello. So let's use a component and see if it's really there. So we go to component, let's say badges. So we're going to copy a badge and put it there and see if it works. So we say button sending message or something. So we can just leave it. Just want to see if it works. So we come to, and that is it is working. So let's change the color. So color to red, and we have it red. So we can change the color to any color you want. All right, we have it pink. So yeah, it's working, and we can add in dark to make the text white. Right, okay, yeah. So yeah, Vuetify is working. So in the next video we'll start building our page and we'll start getting going.